Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to change your password on Facebook. And now let's start right in. Now to change your password on Facebook, first open up the Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your password. Guys, after opening your Facebook app, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu or the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that. And after that, after landing on the menu section of your Facebook profile, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the settings icon available. First guys, in order to change your password, tap on that settings icon first, and over here in order to proceed you can see there is the Meta Account Center on the top of the list just below the settings and privacy option. Tap on that Meta Account Center. And over here guys, in order to change your password, you can see there is the password and security option available for us just below the personal details. Now in order to change our password, let's tap on that password and security, and you can see there is the change password option available for us guys. Now in order to change our password, you'll be required to tap on that change password button and choose the account on which you want to change the password. So we'll be going to the Facebook and not any other accounts of the Meta. Now let's tap on Facebook. Now over here guys, in order to change your password, you'll be required to enter your current password with which you are currently logging in or using your Facebook account. And after that, enter your new password over here guys, and after that again retype your new password over here in order to confirm you remember the password correctly. And after entering your new password and retyping your password to confirm it guys, tap on the change password option available at the bottom of the screen, and your Facebook password will be changed from over here. And there guys, this is how you change your Facebook account's password on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.